Our experiment. Okay.
Nothing's happening. No bubbles.
No, just a couple bubbles. That's mainly from, you can shake it. See? Okay. Ooh, that one has some foam.
Just a little bit.
Little bit. But looks like
Over.
Wow, look at that. Lemon juice also made foamy bubbles. Yeah, you can try it. Okay, and we'll time how long it takes. Stop touching the science experiment. Look at how big of a mess it made. Okay.
Trying to stop it from flowing through the paper.
It's okay.
That's
Okay,
huge.
so it looks like almost all of the lemon juice.
Turn to.
Wait, we gotta wait for this one to be done. Okay.
It's not
Looks like it's
done.
done. Now for vinegar. Whoa!
It's huge! Whoa, it's
Whoa.
still going.
Now,
Wow. Is this this?
but while it had the quickest reaction,
Yes, it did.
the lemon juice had the longest.